Pranav Singh. Kunwar Pranav Singh Champion, born 6 April 1966. He is the descendant of Ram Dayal Singh and first freedom fighter Vijay Singh, who belongs to Landhaura Saharanpur, that was formed in the 18th century. He is a member of the Legislative Assembly of the Uttarakhand Legislative Assembly in India. He is elected for the fourth consecutive time and is one of the senior member of the Uttarakhand Legislative Assembly. He has also served as a cabinet rank official in the previous state governments under the Chief-Ministership of N. Tiwari, Vijay Bahuguna and Harish Rawat. Career. Singh contested from Kanpur at the 2012 Legislative Assembly election as a candidate of the Indian National Congress (INC). In May 2016, along with 8 other legislators, he revolted against the Harish Rawat-led INC government in the state. Around this time, he quit the INC and joined the BJP. He was disqualified as a legislator under the anti-defection law only to be elected from the BJP after the 2017 election. He was suspended for 3 months from Bharatiya Janata Party on 23 June 2019, following his feud with another lawmaker Desraj Karaval. On 11 July 2019, Bharatiya Janata Party extended the suspension of Pranav Singh Champion for an indefinite period because he appeared in a controversial video which showed him dancing with guns and comparing the size of the state he represents. The video went viral on social media, causing embarrassment to the party. References